Quick diving into GBP, JPY. Like to see Xavier first hub. So we're going to find our price action in 4 hours where we will pay critical attention to strong economic data coming from the side of GBP by 8 a.m. London Open. We'll have a CPI YY where the forecast is 2.6%, and we'll have a CPI called CPI YY, and we also have PPI input MM, and we'll have PPI output MM and RPI YY. These are strong fundamental analysis from British side. So we'll be looking at London session strong fundamental analysis by 8 a.m. as London market opens. We'll consider it, and the key critical data to watch will be the CPI YY. The Office of the National Statistics will present data as this measures the price of goods and services purchased by consumers. We'll be looking out for data. If we have a data report and whereby greater than forecast, then we'll begin to see a significant push of GJ to keep in the moon direction against the Japanese yen. So we'll be looking at the data, and consumer price index is something to really watch out. You know, it it accounts for majority of overall inflation. Inflation is important to currency valuation because rising price lead the central banks to raise interest rates out of respect for their inflation containment mandate. So the monetary policy will continue to see the level of inflation, and they will swing in to take necessary action to save the economy from further embarrassment. I think the Bank of Japan and Bank of England monetary policies are doing their best to contain inflation. But I think BOE might be winning the war. So I continue to see more bullish part of British pound sterling against the Japanese yen, even against United States dollar. I see more upswing from the side of the British pounds. So we continue to see more strengthened British pound against the United States dollar and against Japanese yen. So let's see what CPI does today, and we'll be paying critical attention to the CPI report, and we'll swing in and take necessary action in line with fundamental report. But at the moment, let's check the data, and we'll see what comes out of the data. So at the moment, we'll see the data reports. So here we'll have a bridge from GJ resisting this price where we have support structure, support structure, support structure, break of the support structure, retest one, retest two, and the price is heavily bullish, and we will also look at it in line with the current price action. And we'll be looking at here for return of price, where we see price created an inverted head and shoulder, a strong bullish price action, step price. And I made a call 7 days ago on DJ Long, and DJ Long has kept that long bias. So what I want to see is that the price continue to move in direction of trade. And I have a trap here where I expect price. And while we hope that the outcome of the CPI from the British side actually comes greater than forecast to push price in a direction that we want against the Japanese yen. So I believe GJ might be having the same effect with GA. So we also look at the British pounds against Australian dollar and see how it fares. So on technical, we are looking at price might fall into the zone, but however, we have a strong hold at this level at 194.675. That price should hold at this level and return back to challenge the resistance structure. And this level one price to return here, challenge the resistance structure, and might possibly break the structure and move forward. So this is what we see. But if that's not happening, then we want to see that price maintains the ascending trend line, an ascending trend line where price has kept a bullish path, and we also see price again from another direction where we're playing along the structure of the market. And so we want to see how price plays out from here. So let's see how price is playing from here. So what we want to see now, the prices are almost getting to the floor where we expect a strong bullish price action on the floor. And on this floor, we want to see price swing. And if price doesn't swing at this floor, then we want to see to break out from it and let price come to the green zone where we look at for potential buy opportunity in line with the impulse leg. And when we made a call for this, it was based on the price action and had an ascending trend line that actively held price, and price returned to that level and even failed to get that bullish face. So let's see how price comes in. So we want to see price return to this level where we have support structure, break of the support structure, retest the resistance structure, retest the resistance structure, retest the resistance structure, breakout price between on demand one, on demand two, on demand three, on demand four, and price to come back in and return back in the direction of trade where we see price go moving. So we'll be looking at the fundamental data prints, and if the data prints comes the way we expect, then it's an opportunity to go long for GJ. So these are the fundamental data we'll be expecting: CPI YY, core CPI, and the BPI output. So we'll be looking at this data. So it's best to have it top right hand so that we'll be guided by strong fundamental analysis, as analysis on the fundamental drives the market to a very significant